Okay. Yeah, this shit sound like the motherfucking credits is rolling up. We gon' end this off proper. Yo, love, good work, beloved. Yo, you hear the drums and the heavy band wailing? Remind me of Rest in Peace, the Van Halen. My vibe is all crisp, I'm surviving off this. Told me walk a thin line, I started diving off shit. Press the bust pipes, we reppin' what's right. No more door to door, lordy. We chefing up white. Tour after tour, my boys set me up right. Dropping raw after raw, so I'm stepping up price. My press kit can't keep up with my next shit. I'ma put some work in, we gon' get a check split. Lord Marv looking like the new Motown. I took the whole 2020, it's the crew goal now. All white Beamer, big blue 4 pound. I'ma keep it so real long as my shoes all ground. Musically inclined, what? Shooter by design. You can have that bum shit, don't confuse it with mine. Hood nature, used to have it bad, now it's good paper. Kush flavor standing on the edge where I push haters. Fuck out here, my nigga. Threw the shot in your face for being fucking haters. Soul Assassins takeover, man. You know we had to spice it up with the Lord Mob. R.P. Ram LZ. We paying homage. R.P. Ram LZ. Far Rock legend.
I walk down the street, people look at me and say, "Who the hell are you?"
He's not a name.
Reynolds equation.
Yes. Equations.